Here are 6 great places to stay on an adventure through North Iceland. Number 1. Karuna Guest House in Söderkrókur. An affordable down-to-earth guest house with a first-class view, idyllic farm vibe and a brilliant hot tub overlooking the mountains. And one of the best natural hot springs just a short drive away. Number 2. Hotel Siglanes in Siglufjörður. This hotel was originally built in 1934 as the second hotel to be built in all of Iceland. The hotel has been completely renovated, but kept its original charm through carefully chosen vintage furniture combined with modern original Icelandic artwork. Try the restaurant. They serve spectacular Moroccan food. Number 3. Hafdal's Guest House in Akureyri. Great view. There are only 8 rooms and all have the same spectacular view overlooking the fjord and Akureyri. Number 4. Foss Hotel in Húsavík. With Foss Hotel you know what you'll get. A comfy big bed and a spacious room with a private bathroom. Plus a great central location. Number 5. Hotel Laxá in Mývatn. This is where you go if you want one of the best views over Lake Mývatn. Also, the hotel's restaurant Eldey is superb. And you can borrow a mountain bike from the hotel to explore the scenic surroundings. This area is filled with brilliant hiking trails. Number 6. Salthús Guest House in Skagaströnd. Fantastic view over the fjord. In addition, there's a cozy common area with a great kitchen for those who wish to save a little money by cooking their own meals. Save this video and know that you're able to book all of these places on guidetoiceland.is.